If you want to test the function, a single function, okay, with many parameters, then also you can do that. So for that, what you need to do is at the rate Pytest dot mark, okay, then parameterize, then you need to name it. What's its name? So value, okay, then give some values over here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, okay, okay, and let's check it out what we are missing. So parameterize, that's what we edited, right? And let's see, is not closed. That's what it's telling us. Okay, right, right, right. Okay, so this is the way how you can add parameters, right? And you don't need to add colon here. You need to add this way. Now this whole function will test the values, all of this, So value will be taken it directly from here, as you can see. So this one will be taken it directly from here. So I need to give this one to here so that it will take those values and take it out. It's written. Okay, let's run this. So to run this by test, okay, let's run all the test cases that we created. Check it out. What's the error that we are getting it? What's the issue, right? So what it says me that do you mean parameterize? Yes, that's what I mean. Okay, so it's a typo, no problem. So now you can see we passed 7 test cases, but you may be thinking why 7? How it reached 7, right? So over here you see it collected 7 items, right? 5, 6, 7, and 8. So for each of the parameters that we gave it here will be a test cases. So 5 from this, 6th, 7th, and then 8th. That's why we have 8 test cases, 7 test cases, okay? And after this, let's see, okay. If you want to escape any function, just type it here, okay? Or type it here, escape, to escape it, okay? Your function that you don't want to run, don't want it to run, and just put here escape, okay? And it will escape your function for you. Okay, you want to test it? Let's try. So now you see it escaped this one parameter, this one function. So escape giving in this way will be more correct. Okay, so if you want to see it's running or not, or it's skipping or not, let's see. You see, even there is an error, then also we are not getting it. So in this way you can use, right, and it's escaping this function. You can mark any function as failure also. So to mark a function as failure, simple thing that you can do is xfail, okay, to tell the compiler that this function will fail and you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so this is the way, and we are not getting any error. See, and you can see here we skipped it one, and it tells me to warning and x1 failed. Okay, I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.